Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about a projection of straight line. The last lecture series, we see a projection straight line with the two different conditions. Here in this lectures video, we discussing another two types of the conditions in given projection of straight line. So the line for the first condition is a line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP, and the second condition is the line inclined to VP and parallel to HP. So the already we see about that is a HP means called as a horizontal plane, that is a VP is called as a vertical plane. So let's see our problem. We're discussing about it with a pictorial diagram with the help of to understanding. The pictorial diagram we convert into orthography. Okay, for a so understanding purpose, I have to show here pictorial diagram and also orthographic diagram. So first of all, let's consider the line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. So first of all, the line I consider as a AB. The line name is called as a AB. It having a some certain length. It's like a 40 mm or 30 mm. So that line will be making an angle of theta with respect to the HP. That is the conditions the given a problem. Okay. So let's consider the line having a length of 60 mm and is inclined 30 degree to HP. Show the projection of straight line. The similar the type of question they're asking in your exam paper. So when you are given this type of problem, first of all you have to understand what is the condition given your question. So after that you have to proceed the diagram. So from the pictorial diagram, what you understand, the AB is inclined to HP. So that AB inclined to HP is a making angle of theta. From the front view of we are looking into the vertical plane. There is a vertical plane we have to incline. There is a black line. That is a dash and B dash. So the AB we incline so that we are pressing in a vertical plane from the front view. The point is name is called as A dash and B dash. Similar after that, the making angle of theta, the line is inclined. From the top view, we are looking at there is a HP plane, is a line getting the horizontal. So the line getting the horizontal, the name is called as a AB. So from the pictorial diagram, we are representing the there is an orthographic diagram. Its meaning is called as a 2D. So from this representation of 2D diagram, first of all, you have to construct the XY line. So after constructing the XY line, some cases of problem they mentioning the above and below value of the one point. It's like a or B. So in our case, it's not mentioning, so that I have to take as a zero. There is above and below value I got to take as a zero. So that you have to projection the A dash point from the reference line. That is a very important step here. So from the pointing represent as A dash, you have to making an angle of theta that is equal to 30 degree. So after constructing the 30 degree, you have to draw the that is a what is the value given your line length. It's like a 60 mm means you have to draw the 60 mm line. So after draw the 60 mm line, you have to project the horizontal line towards the reference line. It's like a B dash is come to the B. That is a line we have to draw the downward direction. After that, the A dash also is coming down. Here they have mentioned the some certain gap. The meaning is called as the below value is like a 30 mm or 20 mm. So after given the value of 30 mm or 20 mm or zero value, so whatever they given you problem, you have to draw the value of from the reference line. It's like a 30 mm means from the reference line you have to draw mark it as a point 30 mm and draw the horizontal line. So that horizontal line we have to get in the top view of the given problem. That is the understanding from the pictorial diagram to orthographic diagram. Okay, the similar case we have to discussing this. So what is the discussing about this condition is that is a vertical plane and horizontal plane. Okay, so first of all you have to draw the that is a very important step. You have to understand they have to mention the dark line for A dash and B dash, and the line is name is called as an A and B. That is a very important step from this diagram. Okay, so after constructing these conditions, so we have moved to the next condition. What is the condition here? That is a condition is that is a line is inclined to VP and parallel to HP. That is the conditions for the next two over the conditions. So how to draw this is it's like a that is a inverted form of previous case. What is the inverted form of previous case means this line is inclined to HP and parallel to VP. That is a similar case of this case. So, but here the line is inclined to VP. That is very important. That is a word line is inclined to meaning inclined to VP means that is a vertical line. So after constructing this line from the pictorial diagram, you have to show that the AB is inclined certain length of the angle of 30 degrees. It's like a 30 degree or 40 degree. So from the reference plane, okay, it's like a, take as a above value and below value. Let's consider above value is 30 mm and below value is 15 mm. Let's consider to proceed this diagram. So after constructing the line inclined to the VP, so you have to draw the front view and top view of the given line. So from the front view and top view of the given line, we have to represent the 2D sketch. So what is over here? 2D sketch means you have to construct the XY line. After constructing the XY line, you have to mention the above value and below value. So here the above value is, I have to mention the conditions, that is a 30 mm, below value is 10 mm or 15 mm. So from this reference line, you have to mark it as a 30 mm, draw the line, is called it as a dash and B dash. Okay. So how to construct the A dash B dash means, first of all, you have to represent the 30 mm line, that is the imaginary line, that is called as locus line. So after constructing the locus line from your reference line, you have to mark it as a below value, that is like a 15 mm. Okay, you have to construct another locus line. That locus line name is called as locus of A. So from the locus of A, you have to construct the incline to VP, that is the values given is like a 45. So after 45 degree, you make using protector, you have to mark it as and draw the line is called as a AB. So after the constructing the AB, you have to draw the horizontal line, so vertical line towards the XY line. After extending the XY line towards the another locus point, already we have to constrain. Okay, so that locus point you have to, that is a starting and ending point of the line. You have to, that is starting and ending point of the line we represent as a dash and B dash, and the front view or top view of the line is called as A and B. So the similar case we have to construct in the each case. Okay, so from the pictorial diagram we represent the orthographic diagram. For understanding purpose is very more easy for you that. Okay, thank you.